Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool which is having an option called prompt generator. So whenever you are using any of the chatbot in order to generate content for your academic writing, so you need to give perfect prompts. So sometimes you may fail to give a perfect prompt. So in order to make your prompt perfect, so this kind of tool will be very helpful for you to generate a perfect prompt for you. So let us go on to today's video and let us check it out how this AI tool will generate a prompt for us. So and we can use that prompt in Chatgpt or any other chatbot to generate a better content for our academic writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing with AI tools. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different kinds of research prompts in Chatgpt and how to bring better content out of Chatgpt for research paper writing. The important thing is that I am going to show you a live research paper writing incorporating all the AI tools. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. The AI tool what we are going to discuss is that Originality AI. So already I have made a video regarding Originality AI abstract generator and conclusion generator. So this Originality AI is very helpful for us to generate abstract and conclusion for our research paper also. So in that extent, so it is used to generate the prompt. So you can give the purpose of your prompt. For example, so I am going to give prompt for abstract generation for the research paper titled Energy Management in Microgrid using ANN or artificial neural network. So whatever you want you can give. So and then you can click on generate. So let us see how this Originality AI will generate prompt for us. So here you can see that a prompt is generated. So generate a concise and informative abstract for the introduction for the research paper title Energy Management in Microgrid using Artificial Neural Network. The abstract should include the following elements: introduction, briefly introduce the concept of microgrids and their significance in modern energy system, mention the role of energy management in optimizing the performance of microgrid. Second one is objective. So it will give the structure of the abstract and then so it will give the prompt. So here you can see that second is objective. Clearly state the primary objective of the paper, focusing on the use of artificial neural network in energy management within the microgrids. Methodology, summarize the method employed in the research, highlighting the key techniques and approach utilized in implementing ANN for energy management. Next, results, present the main findings of the study, emphasizing the effectiveness of ANN in improving energy efficiency, reliability, sustainability in microgrid operation. Next, conclusion, conclude with the implications of research finding for future energy management in microgrids and potential areas. So this is how abstract to be written. So first it has to give an introduction, objective, methodology, and then what is the results obtained and what this research concludes. So you can copy this particular prompt generated by this Originality AI. So and you can go to Chatgpt. So here you can copy the prompt and then so just enter this prompt here. So let us see how this abstract is generated. So here comes our abstract. This I can say it is one of the perfect abstract because the body of the abstract is designed with the proper prompts. So here you can see it will give an introduction, subjective, next methodology, results. So like that it will give proper prompts and it will generate a perfect answer for you. So this is how this abstract will generated. So you can copy and paste the abstract and use in your research paper writing. So this is how you can use this Originality AI to generate prompt for your research paper writing. So next I am going to refresh again. So I am going to ask outline, or I can say introduction for the research paper title energy management. I am going to give the same title again, energy management in microgrid using ANN. So and then click on generate. So let us see how this idea has changed to be a prompt in this Originality AI. So here you can see, write a comprehensive introduction for the research paper title energy management microgrid using ANN. So here comes what are the important things to be present in the introduction: context and importance, challenges in energy management, next introduction to artificial neural networks, research gap, research objective, structure of the paper. So this is how the content will be. The aim for length of approximately 500 to 700 words. So you can copy this prompt and you can go to Chatgpt. So you can paste the prompt here and then just give enter. So let us see how Chatgpt will generate or respond the content for this prompt. So here comes our introduction first. So first our introduction is generated. So it is asked in 6 sections. So next is challenges in energy management. So after introduction, so the challenges in the energy management will be generated. So still it's completing introduction. So as we have asked for 500 to 700 words, so it is generating a detailed and brief content for every subtopics we have asked for. So this is how a brief content will be generated. So here you can see the objective, the research gap, so and then organization of the paper. So all the content will be generated here. So here you can see the paper is organized into following section. Section 2 provides a comprehensive literature review examining existing energy management strategies for microgrid and role of ANN in addressing related like that, organization of the paper, and then research gap, objective, research gap. This is the introduction, and about ANN to address the challenges. Here you can see that ANN, about ANN. So all the things has been generated. So this is how you can create an introduction prompt using this Originality AI. So this is just an example. So you can give whatever the prompt you want, whatever the idea you want, and you can improvise it as a prompt. So you can use the same prompt to generate better content in any of the chatbot. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So go on and explore this Originality AI. So don't struggle to give a prompt in any of the chatbot. So this kind of tool will be very useful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.